1,000 plus government jobs are out in Bihar. So this is golden chance, don't miss. And also the Bihar Technical Service Commission has released Laboratory Assistant Recruitment 2026. Total 1,191 posts are available. So job location is Bihar. So application is last date for the 6th of May 2026. So application will be there. The application fees will be there in the only 100 rupees. So for qualification, 12th pass with diploma or engineering related, you can apply, and age limit will be there in the 18 to 37 for male, and up to 42 for the SC ST other reservation categories will be there. And the selection is very simple. Written test will be there in the document verification and merit list based on this select. And don't miss this chance and apply now. So for more details, visit the official website and visit my website also in the digital tech. And don't forget to subscribe for the daily government job update.